Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can post any video from YouTube to Instagram. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get started. Let me just open my YouTube, and from here if I open this video, then this is it. If I found this video in my gallery, then I can add this video to my Instagram. So first of all, I will just download it into my gallery. So for doing so, I will just click on this share and I will click on this copy link. Okay, now I will just go to my home page and I will open Widmat. So here we have got the option of download. If you want to know how to download Widmat and install it into your mobile, then you can watch the video from here. For now, we will just download this video, and we have got different resolution. I will just download it in 360p. So here you can see that the video is downloaded, and if I open my gallery, I will go to albums, and here you can see that I have found this video. Okay, now if I want to post this video on my Instagram, then I will just share from here directly. I will go to Instagram feed. So this is how you can post a YouTube video on Instagram. I hope you have found this video helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.